It's a not released product, at least not yet. I think it will be quite soon. First thing that I noticed is that the box is very small. I'm not sure, I didn't own like hundreds of smoke detectors, but it seems relatively small compared to ones that I previously owned. So in the box we'll find the smoke detector itself, different ways to mount it. We've got the ring that we actually mount the smoke detector with. We've got a small battery, and we've got screws or double-sided tape, whichever you prefer to hang or mount this smoke detector with. As this is a Wi-Fi enabled Xiaomi product, this completely integrates in that Xiaomi smart home environment. This means you will actually get a notification on your phone or tablet when the smoke detector detects smoke. I think this is a very good example of a very useful smart home product. You know, you want to be notified if there's smoke being detected in your house. The smoke detector does not directly connect to your router. Instead, it actually connects to one of these Xiaomi gateways. So you need to have one of these gateways in order for this product to work. The installation was super easy and went super smooth actually. Just went in the Xiaomi Mi Home app, add a device, all the way in the bottom. And there you can find it, the smoke detector. Since I've got two different gateways, they actually both appear and I could link it to either one of those two. That's a message that I get on the gateway, and I just click the button on the smoke detector 3 times and it's connected and linked, and you'll find it under My Devices. Here you can set up some automation rules. So for example, we can say that if smoke is being detected, that we want to turn on all the lights in the house. For example, that could be something that would maybe make sense. And we can click on its settings here on these dots in the right corner. And we can say, for example, that we want the gateway to ring the alarm when the smoke is being detected. And we can also say in which type of room do we have it installed. A no smoking place, like an office, place with a little smoke, or a place with some smoke. This could be very helpful if you're smoking, and I think it might actually adjust its sensitivity slightly. So yeah, that's a pretty nice feature to have, I guess. There's a self-check, which is basically like a calibration. It will check if everything's in order, and you can select if you want it to remind you to self-check every month, which might be a good idea just to check if everything's still up and running. And besides that, we can find a log, and that's just basically telling if smoke was detected or not. I tried it out, you can see here. The alarm went off, and that's the notification that I got. It showed on my phone, and that's it. There's nothing more to it. So, as a conclusion, first, it's small, which is really great. I've never seen a smoke detector like this size. It's Wi-Fi enabled, so it can tell me when I'm outside of the home that there's smoke being detected. This is great. And I like the beep. You know, that's something you wouldn't really say, but the beep gradually goes up in loudness. So it starts not that awfully loud like a lot of these smoke detectors do. So, you know, that gives you that split second for when you're cooking to actually turn it off. So I think that's another plus point. I couldn't really find anything negative to say because, you know, it just does what it should do. At least so far when I tested it. For me, it's great. I'm still waiting for the gas detector, which is another device that they also released during the same crowdfunding campaign. So I hope that's gonna come in very soon, and I'm definitely gonna be doing a video about that as well.